Hey subscribers, welcome back. All right, I'm still figuring out what the formal YouTube playlist is gonna be, but let me give you a little rundown of what I think is gonna happen in this space. So I'll have regular monthly video newsletters, two forms of that. One will probably come via like a YouTube live regularly that I'll schedule and share. And then the other will be just for my Patreon folk. So a more private version with a little bit more detail and VIP info. And then I'll have an area for some experimental art because I've been playing with a lot of things since being at a recent residency, Hambridge, where I'm recording this right now. And then I'm working on what the lifestyle parts are going to be. I've got a very cute Shiba Inu, and she's been a huge influence on our lives and just kind of our day-to-day. We did recently buy a house. I've got tons of home decor, DIY things in the can that I've recorded. I just need to edit and put together. And then I am actively TTCing, trying to conceive. So that might find its way in like a general family playlist, or it might get its own. We'll kind of see how it goes. And then already what's existing on my YouTube page as of today is a featured playlist. So it's a great way to see other things in the art world that I've been a part of and that's already on the web, whether that's from Miami Art Basel, things with Tila Studios, or some things that I did with Emery. That's a great space to see that there. And then the other thing is the PS Fleming 19 playlist. So if you're curious about me and the husband, our wedding videos and things are actually already on this YouTube channel. So get in there and explore. And then the last thing I'll note is that From Here to There, which was a virtual talk series that I did in partnership with the University of Michigan. I'm pretty sure that's done for right now. We did 2 seasons, or a pilot season and then an official season. So there's a lot of really great nuggets and details in there. So for my same emerging artists, budding artists, student artists, whatever, there's a lot of really great information in there. So be sure to check out the From Here to There playlist because, really great nuggets. And the best way to learn is through other people's lived experiences. So check that out and let me know, send me a message, send me an email, hit me up on Instagram or Patreon if you've got any ideas or suggestions and how I can better cultivate this community for you. Thanks so much for being a subscriber. Peace.